Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Do you want to get rid of all calculation hassle you are facing while making a UMRAH package estimate? We have the solution. We offer an easy to use package calculator which certainly helps you to create a package estimate in seconds. We are not selling hotel or any services to you. It will be all yours. We just offering a selling tool. My name is Hamid Patel, CEO HP Softec. I am here from Karachi, Pakistan. I will show you how our system works. So let's start. Please watch this video till end on your PC or laptop for better view and understanding. The system is web-based application, can run anytime, anywhere through your browser and even on your mobile device. Just go to the link umrahsystem.com. Sign in with your mobile number as it is a trial version at the moment. This is the main screen where you make all the selection and create package. But before we start the package creation, have a look at backhand table and values. First you need to do is to make a backhand table for visa, transportation and profit margin. Rate of exchange is needed if your rates and result are in different currencies. You can see we put them, all these values will automatically calculated on main screen. Access to add something or change values is limited due to this trial version, but once we have a deal, you will have a full access of these tables. Similarly, we have added some hotel profile as a sample need for a package estimate. Now come to the main screen. First of all, you need to select a room type. Here we click quad room. The number of adults appear automatically. Add child and infant if you have any. Then select hotel. We have already put some values in it for time saving. Then room rate, nights. You may put check-in and check-out dates here, but you can skip now. The second hotel, like Al Ansar Golden Tulip, its rates and required nights. Then back to Makkah Hotel, Kiswa Tower, its rates, nights. Now move to the next portion. It is flight details. Whatever you have, either from system or your group, or you have any group here, just put details where required. Select visa type, transportation. Select private transfers if you need any. Save this collection, calculation and create package. Here we are with the printout. You see printout is ready. Everything you have selected is appear here. Accommodation, visa type, private transfers, airline detail and complete quotation for the whole family. Our system will save all the package estimate you made and shows detail like this. This is package number, the date you have created, time you have created, name of client, care of, the room type you have quoted, the family members, and total amount you have quoted sometime. And you also have the button to display this quotation or need to get print out again or to modify or edit something in it. So each and every estimate will be recorded and you have access to either get print out or edit the same category, same customer. We hope you like our system that's make your work more easy and more professional. You may use this trial version as long as you like. For your private ID, we need your visiting card and logo. A one-time fee for this software is $40 and monthly cloud charges are $15 per month, payable on quarterly basis in advance. You may contact on our WhatsApp number for private ID anytime you want. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.